Hi everyone, it is fitness week, and yes, we will still be doing our fitness tests even though we're at home. Today we're going to show you how to make a sit and reach box to do our sit and reach test. So first off, you're going to need a box at least 12 inches tall, needs to at least be bigger than your foot is long. Next, you're also going to need a ruler. You'll also need some sort of tape. And lastly, in case you're testing on your own, you might need some sort of powder, a baby powder of some sort. All right, so we have our box, and notice we want to have it pushed up against a wall for us to use to test with. We're going to take our ruler and make sure that the 8-inch mark on the ruler is right at the edge of the box. Now, 1 should be back towards us, 12 should be back towards the opposite end of the box, because that's what we're going to use to assess our flexibility. So let me reposition that. And I'm going to put the tape back here at about the 11.5 to 12 mark, because that way it's not obscuring wherever I hit on the 8, 9, 10 range. Remember, boys, you just have to get to 8 on this. Girls, your target is 10. All right, so you might notice that I've added a couple extra pieces of tape to the ruler. That's because it was a little flimsy, and really I tore them in half so I can still see the 8, the 9, the 10, and the 11 marks. Those are the only ones that matter. We're not doing halves, so it's whatever full number you get to is what you are credited with. So, our proper technique. Oh, and you might notice I'm not in shoes. I'm not in proper athletic footwear. That's fine. We want to have our shoes off. We need to have our shoes off for this, for it to be an accurate measurement. If I'm wearing shoes, I'm sticking back here further away from the box. I want to be as close to that box as I can to get as accurate a score as I can. Now, since I'm here doing this on my own, I am going to use the powder on my hands. I'll show you what that's going to do. So I'm just going to get a little bit there on my fingertips, and when I touch the ruler, it should leave a mark. So foot flat against the box, other knee bent to save my back. It can bend off to the side, foot has to maintain, bottom of the foot must stay in contact with the ground. Hands up, extend out, tap the ruler, and it looks like I'm right at 8. I passed for a boy on my right leg. Now, oh, and I get 3 tries, so if I didn't make it to 8 on that one, I could go 2 more times. Now I'm going to switch legs and switch hands, put powder on my other hand. Again, knee bent. Oh, and looks like I successfully got to 8 on that leg as well. One thing I do want to encourage all of you to do before taking the sit and reach test, make sure you warm up your hamstrings. Do some dynamic stretching, some static stretching. Get those nice and warm so you have a better chance of being successful on this, like I know you will.